obi odi matamu a enye me yada eye mi nua NDC ni
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Temwa enye me yada. Eye mi nua NDC ni. Se mi gira he. Na NDC ni edi matem enya tem de ketewa. Na ye mi ko se ya. Enye me yada ne mawu. NDC ni di matamu a enye me yada na mawu NDC ni tu ne bafo NDC ni o tu ne bafo say wo pe party wo mo aba bedi o man Ghana so a wo mo anye hwe ama o man Ghana wo pe sa party na ye MPP party NDC ni no o tu ne bafo say wo pe party a wo mo bedi o man Ghana so a onye hwe mo man Ghana e MPP party enso meka sei ne ba na okasa asem kire no na okofiri SHS nimpa we bedi matem na ayem ya nimpa we bedi ni atam na ayem ya na masu aba kamisu ni jini fo papa
ina za mu samu mu ciyar da yaran mu da mata mu baci in ka lord zaka bolga a tare ka lord zaka tamala a tare boko a tare jama'a zan tambaye ku boko ko timba bolga ko timba tamala ko timba navara ko timba bola ko timba tumwa ko timba wa ko timba to yaya saboda shi ba fara muke so ba mu abunci muke so inda suna so next 4 years 2028 mu saya dakin daka mu vote musu kamar inda muka vote musu na to wallahi su matallahi checkpoint abun da ya kama tutta kima har zuwa kurgungu a cire shi checkpoint abun da ya kama tutta kima har zuwa tumu a cire shi gwalu a cire shi checkpoint ne
ma utrimu nya wo desa mankrofo atwa wo ahye ka bibia no mu didi atem saa no problem de bia maka che say wan kan me nsu abekan masere en MPP fo o kan se ma fe no mo hope o kan na nka etiewa ade nti na wo se duru ho na mo kasa na nka etiewa onkrofo tu galamsey wonya we President John Mahama wonya we so onkrofo tu galamsey wonya we say ministries ni bi o hwan nioma bi o ho mu ye ni sedan ko onte say adwuma ni system ni mu onte President John Mahama onte say adwuma ni system ni mu o 24-hour economy ni say ekosen no onte dia no aka fa ho efa flooding no dia no aka who minister for works and housing what so tito e dia be pa no aya wutua nika but all these people are there onko anu akotwa ahumem me so ye president ye be duodum na S3NS na reality ni setina wodi ayene sa na after 2026 President John Dramani ma papa wodi ayene say ya na after 2026 Ghana fo nya wie pa ni ewura 2027 na obeka say nya Ghana fo ne toma no wodi market on the one me say wodi ayene say ya ne dada praise prima Mahama is a hope Mahama ye adwuma mafu soldiers ne nguso ankamfo mankrofo nya sa wo ye adwuma me say ma ye wie 2026 na ye wie 2027 pa obeti because abre no na ye politics sa abre no obi power 2 sa abre no na ase edu nketia ni Julius ne Professor Alabi mu ni nabusiafo o ma hye ase na no obonsa afei o 2 million na ase e chekofom na chekofom a afei na nkofo bebusa se adwuma na aka so de be ma ye wehe enyoma na wo ka se wo be ye no e wehe over 14.1 million people nkofo mabu na omunye adwuma nye no o ye den
atofose na ye atofose ye no a all ka so oni evidence o asem na all can only evidence but na nia bere because na dwen cha ne say obi akoye post ama bia atofose that number 1 enti mame ka bibia be ma atofose ho aye hi aden ti mu ade mu ye mu hinti ye mamo in a minute the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mu amu wa ban mu mate mu ho ase ne say there is a man called John Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1% bi no de amamu someone ni respect ma yen 32 million for na ya ka wa bonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting make kind of say the power of our thumb someone mu a obi wa hanu ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa twam utimi na ni wadi hwe ho ukọ ho a enye ye woni tumi bi ade kọ but today you are occupying that seat you have to remember that it is because of a name called John Dramani Mahama who is the president of the land a Ghana for the tumi amano and wa panic akra bi president na mo tia konwa so kra ya chat no responding e to da friend no crop fa and the ministers yi any appointees yi o friend say tie ni as a busy wo wiase nyina ya de aso awo mo and attention hunu kwa no mo kreti abu kwa mo refisa president Mahama kra wo ho and ya na ha me no any mo ye ni nyina e ye total disrespect to the president so president wo ho na wo interest bi kra nti wontimi hide ne kakrampo supporters su kra ntimi hide ebi wa ha ka me wo ma adakru bi out of any job beka but it's like air overshadow amamwo na wase ekoso no and people have relaxed and no money am brain no mati free no mo ya de omo pe hey masa
mo je na da no se mo de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections ayeko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders a KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is intimate because of time. But those ones it really component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya Ese keska no kwanka ye de wasa ye botumi wo say oh I mean say wo say MPP for ya akonfo ne ma akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na ma so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na ten afi dem kekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho market women omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete na ze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yenketenkete ya adwen yenketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yenketenkete. We want everything in pieces, we don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me say bi me na me ko ka kire ba jon do mani ma say o mema was come to butu one ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e dey ra jon do mani ma ko gina e fa say enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Say die ko ye kwa de menu na to me hu letter bi a yoko for chro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me say fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa ni letter na was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order ama nam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
O si sa asem na. Listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda na and nam one. Yes. Na che say, was in who credit ni say state institution we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa your council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good to me good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we me supply good no over 75%. Omukoso na sementi mo ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy we take your statement ama o grant o mi bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defediana afi the also by us say any mokra mweda mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say you office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recording is a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NDC for my